but first I thought let's use our 5 senses to maybe take a guess at what it is. So Peyton, go first. Smell.
Smell like a toy.
Smells like a toy. What does a toy smell like?
Like plastic.
It smells like a superhero or something. And you cut more tape. Cut. I cut.
Peyton's not allowed to use scissors at the moment. How come, Peyton?
Cutting hair.
Because you cut your hair with scissors. Peyton's banned from scissors at the moment.
I told you it smelled like a box.
Oh, what is it?
No, I was right. It's a gift. The box. It's just 3 and up. It
I
looks
bought
like
and it's not a box.
magnet, letters, and numbers. 52 uppercase letters, lowercase letters 52, 29 numbers and mathematics symbols, alphabets and numbers, recognition, creative learning and playing, A, apple, B, bird, C, cat. Okay,
Right.
so let's open this
I
up.
think this might be good to help Peyton with school, right?
Yeah. Look, you found it. Whoa! It comes with like a little doggy eraser.
Oh, cool. So you guys can play. You guys can play school, right? At home.
Hey guys.
Okay, guys. So here we have the board. There's only one board, so it's a whiteboard on one side. Comes with a whiteboard marker, and the other side's a chalkboard, except for
The number.
magnetic. Both sides are magnetic. And so,
Hey, Addison, can you untie this for me?
sure.
She's my best sister.
She's your best sister? How many other sisters do you have? You have one more? Who's the other one?
Peyton, let me show you
One.
how to
Just one.
You pull
Yeah.
that through, okay? You push that in, push in, and pull. Okay?
So that's really cool. It comes with a bag that will hold all of the magnets for you.
Oh, and I almost forgot to say, look, it has a little dog bone eraser. So look, if I do doodle, and then it goes, I will erase. And it erases it, and then also there's an eraser on this that goes, I'm cleaning up the mess. Do-do-do-do-do.
That's really awesome. So this is great for you guys to like play school with, right?
Yeah,
Like, one of you could be the teacher and one of you could be the student.
It could help us with Peyton with his letters and his like facts, his family facts, and me, I could do timesing with a plus. Just turn it a little bit, and it's a time symbol.
All right, so let's open this stuff up and let's get all the.
I opened this.
Okay, you want to get them all out? Let's get them
Here,
out and
I'll
see
get 'em
what
out.
all's in there.
And me.
Oh yes, that just stands
Stands
up on its own. That's pretty awesome.
Drinking hot.
Oh, are they foam?
Yeah. So one side's foam, the other side's magnetic.
Oh, that's
Like,
awesome.
look. They just stay. So look, I could do question mark. Well,
Oh, there's even question marks in it?
Yeah, I didn't see that. So like you could do a saying, or Erica, look, I could do an X
Yeah,
times.
that could be with multiplication.
Where's the plus and times symbol?
Let's see.
Oh,
You show
look,
it.
the minusing symbol.
Kinetic.
Oh, are they connected? Yeah.
Kinetic.
Oh yeah, here's the plus.
And kinetic.
Oh,
Good
that's
night.
T. Oh, that's a T. Sorry.
Where's the kinetic? The blue connected to the red.
Guys, I can't find the equal sign. And then
You know what I like, because they used to make these even when I was little.
Hey guys, let me.
And you would pick these up and clang, 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 because they were all like, first of all, the magnet, look at that, guys. The magnet is attached to the foam instead of a separate piece, so you don't really have to worry about that coming off, I don't think. And you would pick these up, and these used to all be plastic, so they'd make a big noise.
Yeah.
And then the magnets would come off of them, and you'd just have a bunch of these little letters just useless laying around. You couldn't use them anymore, but this seems like a lot better of an idea. All right, let's see if Peyton can spell his name on the board. Can you find all the letters for your name and put it on here? Put them on the board. Let's see.
Come on.
Okay. Where's letter P?
I see one.
Where?
I'm not telling.
All right,
Find
great
an
job.
O.
Don't.
No,
No,
P.
let him do it.
Oh.
E.
P-E, very good.
P. E.
Great. What else?
Y.
Y.
Let me find it.
Gotta find the Y in here. It's like a puzzle, isn't it? Trying to look for all the pieces.
Cold, cold.
That's a Y, yeah.
I thought he was looking for this.
You know your name, don't you, Peyton?
And then what's next?
P-E-Y. T.
T, so let's find a T.
I don't know a T.
Adventures, can you see a T in all of this? Peyton found it.
P-E-Y. T-O.
O.
I see one.
All right.
P.
Yes, uh-oh. That one's kind of like a capital O, I think, but it'll work.
P.
Wait, is this the little piece though?
Oh, okay.
Hey, and look, it's a pattern. Now you just need a blue in.
P-E-Y-T-O-N.
All right, let's find the N.
N.
That one's an
M.
M.
Like, it goes.
You're close. That one's a M.
I see an N.
Where?
I see it.
Let's see if you can find it.
I see an N.
Hey.
What? I was stealing it. Wait, is that even
Good job.
Wait, is there a blue N in here? Let's
Peyton.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. So
What letters are those? Addison, once you say them.
A,
The adventures.
D, D, I, S, O, N.
Good
Why
job.
you stole my N? That's not
Guys.
fair.
Peyton, how many letters are in your name?
1, 2, 3. Okay, mommy think. P-E-Y-T-O-N.
So how many letters is that?
No, 6.
6. Nice. 6.
Nice. 6. Well, guys, we can use this stuff for so many things. Because Peyton, he can use it for his words, his letters. And for me, we can use it for my, times. Oh, this is times. My times and my plus and my math facts and everything. Well, guys, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to have more unbox fun.
We're unboxing fun.
Click the little bell next to it so you can never miss a video and turn on notifications. See you next time on Adventures with A and P. Bye.
Wait, this is Z or T?
Wait, we need to spell Adventures with A and P. That would be awesome. Let's start that.